Okay, baby, this is only for you, by the way. Don't share this with anybody else. All right, so here we go. What you're going to want to do first is go to SKU Grid. This is where you change it. You don't change it at eBay, because if you change the price in eBay, SKU Grid is just going to change it back. So you can see right now we're charging $5.97. Why is this going for $4.97? I just sold it for $4.97. Maybe she already put it up there. No, I'm sorry. I'm going to change it to $6.97. My bad. So let me get rid of this. We go to over here to edit. Come down here to use wizard. See, this is all wrong. Basically, all you want to do is add. Let's see if it's. What is this at the source? Just click update item here. This is why I always have Rhoda do it, because I don't really understand this well myself. This should not be like that. Let me see what it is at Home Depot. I think it's like $4.67. So we're going to want to add $2.30. This is taking a long time. Hey, come on. $2,000. Then you want me, and I'm not going to be available all the time. If I tell you I'm going, I blocked it out, you'll know better than to schedule something then. Until you find somebody else, which you should do. Come on. Okay, on Home Depot, it's $4.82. My bad. So the difference between $6.97 and $4.82 is $2.15. So we need to add $2.15 to the price on SKU Grid. So the thing that I don't understand, and I've actually asked SKU Grid about this, and they never answered me. Why in my wizard it just doesn't say my current markup, which is 14.4%. I don't understand why it says what it says. But this, I don't know where this comes from. Maybe Rhoda's doing that to change the price from before, but all I would do is just add, what did I say, 482 to 15. And that should take the price to $6.97. So to estimate the price, you put it at the source price up here and click OK. This should come out to $6.97. There we go. So close that. Update item. Yeah, probably that 14 and 0.33 was Rose adjusting the price from before. Or Rhoda, not Rose. Update item. Hello. And then I like to force reprice because SKU Grid only checks prices every 3 hours. I'm going to have to pause this again. This is just taking way too long. Okay, now it says single item was added to the table. So what I like to do is go back and forth. This is probably going to take forever again. Okay, when this comes up, you want to go over here to force reprice. Are you sure? Okay. And what that does is it goes in and adjusts the price to where I want it right away. Otherwise, I'd have to wait until the next price check, which isn't, only done every 3 hours. So it could be, I don't know when the next price check is done, but it's going to be a while yet. So just while that's processing, I'll show you one thing here. This is where we need to be. This is my mentor sells. He's actually been down a little bit in the last 31 days, so it has affected him. This new algorithm that eBay rolled out on April 20th was really hurting some drop shippers. But you can see that in the last 3 days, he did over 10,000 in one day. Right? Today he's doing 7,500. Where I'm shooting to get 100,000, he's already double that at 208, and I've seen him as high as 220. Plus, he has another account now. He opened up another account, which is doing about 30,000 a month. Just so you know. That's where I'm headed.